Hey, it's me, Garrett. We're gonna learn how to fix the Xbox 360 wireless network adapter today. I'm at the wonderful Gosnell residence right now. There's his fancy new PC. Here's his piece of crap Xbox. And the adapter is right here. We plug it in, it either goes to red or doesn't work at all. So what you're going to do is you're going to be getting this little piece right here. My wonderful assistant, Jacob. It's very handsome. He's going to pry it open with a butter knife. Let's get in there. Come on, get in there, bro. Get in there. Make her cry like a baby. Get that thing open. Okay, almost. No, pry it from the other side. That's what the dude did.
Oh, he did it? Oh, wait, what?
Maybe. Is that working? Because I think that's where the expensive stuff is.
Oh, up here?
Yeah, like go from the other side.
Oh, that's where the expensive stuff's at.
If you cut yourself, I'm a lifeguard, so don't worry.
I do not want to do this right there.
Here, I'll do it. Hold the camera. Just kidding. Oh yeah, here, hold the camera. So we're gonna, just like cutting a piece of cake. Almost. It will be forever changed. How did that guy do that? Oh, this is what the heck. I need another butter knife, actually.
Really?
Wait. Don't worry, it's only a butter knife. I don't need my thigh. Oh! Just lost a chunk.
Here, let's watch the video again.
No, it just showed him prying it. Oh, hold on. Oh, poo. Nuggets. Nuggets of poo.
Try doing it with a non-sharp part of it, because then we'd not mutilate the...
I mean, it's not like you're gonna sell this on eBay or anything. Just kidding. Okay, hold on. Let me grip it with my fingernails and try it.
We are trying to make a fire, ladies and gentlemen.
This thing's a piece of crap.
Here, let me see.
Your turn. I hope you're liking this, Reed.
Peyton, this is what I'm going to do to your MacBook if we don't hang out soon.
Just gonna burn it over an open fire and stab it with a butter knife. This really doesn't tickle my fancy.
I feel like we should... There's a part 2 to the video, though.
Right. Let's go to the part where he's ripping it open here.
This part right here was unplugged. So literally this, see the light, if you plug this in,
No, go farther forward.
the light won't turn on at all.
Just gonna go there in a
It's an
second.
easy fix. Don't throw it at the wall. Here's what you want to do.
We already did that.
What you want to do is take a regular butter knife, just like this, just a regular knife. And here, ignore
What the heck? His was already open. He's cheating.
Just pry it open until it's hot.
Pry it. We might want to get two. Maybe a pair of pliers to hold it. I'm gonna go find another butter knife so we can have him go in two different ways.
I don't know how my stepdad would react to us doing this to this thing.
Why?
So we have to keep it on the down low. I don't know. He's weird about stuff.
We just need a way to hold it so it won't slip.
And just take this out. set it aside, set all that crap aside, set it aside, and you're gonna see this like this, okay? And be like, just look at, don't push any of the buttons that don't mess with this part. You can touch it, but don't like, there's no need to. This is the antenna right here. The antenna.
Here, just try stabbing downward sharply with it. That might work.
Plug it. You don't need to. You're having the problem that I had. As soon as I flip this over, this part right here is unplugged. So literally disconnect.
That was almost bad.
It comes in.
Stupid Chinese, why do you make such good products? That's why you only buy made in America stuff, peeps.
This thing is like chopped liver.
Well, I mean, so basically, you just kind of want... Yours should open easier than ours, because this is Jacob's thing, and Jacob's things are never easy. So yeah, you get that thing open, you plug it back in, and you're back to pooping on stoops. Keep on pooping.